Strategy D, peer-to-peer problem solving, is designed to foster a feeling of safety when students engage in activities that promote self-efficacy, peer learning, and agency in a supportive learning environment. Components could include creating a student discipline advisory board where students maintain voice and ownership over classroom and school-wide expectations and rules. Implementing a social emotional learning curriculum to teach students how to understand their emotions, express negative emotions in a healthy way, and to show empathy for others. Using peer-to-peer mediation for conflict resolution gives students the opportunity to develop interpersonal and problem-solving skills, such as effective communication. Another potential component would be enacting an honor code that's shaped by the students. This strategy is inspired by Fast Track Paths, a study of social and emotional learning programs in a dozen schools in Tennessee proved to significantly reduce rates of aggression and improved student engagement. We believe that this strategy would contribute to 3 of the 5 PBSD strategic plan goals. It would help students succeed by improving the academic environment and teaching them conflict resolution skills they will bring far beyond the classroom. Likely the most direct effect would be its improvement of the social, emotional, and psychological conditions for students and staff when there are fewer behavioral incidents. It would also increase the culture of trust by demonstrating to students that the district has confidence in them to learn to problem solve and take on responsibilities. Some potential benefits would be empowering students. There would in turn lead to an improved perception of fairness in the resulting rules and consequences because students were included in conversations about discipline. Students can develop and grow their skills in self-regulation and self-efficacy from the methods they are taught and use with each other. This would result from a combination of developing coping mechanisms and practicing conflict resolution. It could reduce violent incidents and negative behavioral infractions, such as fighting and bullying, by fostering positive changes in behavior. This would in turn lead to higher reported feelings and safety. Students have a great difficulty focusing on their math lesson when they're worried what's going to happen later on the playground or in between periods. So when there are improvements in safety, it also positively affects students' engagement in school. With these benefits come possible challenges. Peer-to-peer problem solving heavily relies on student engagement and support throughout the process. It will require trust and coordination from adults to allow students to have the agency. It will also need annual renewal so students are heard in a continuous process. Lastly, not all students will have formal opportunities for leadership, like a seat on the disciplinary advisory board. So a mechanism to ensure that the student body feels represented by the students with leadership roles is recommended. We look forward to your feedback on Strategy D.